Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome you all to my class. After many days, I am back to my class, and I hope you enjoyed your summer vacation days. And today, in my class, I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, Political Parties. We have heard about many political parties and like Congress, BJP. These are major political parties and they are called national political parties. And we also know that in our country, multi-party system is there. Our party system is multi-party system. Multi-party system means if in a country, in a political system, there are more than one political parties, more than two political parties who can contest in the election, who can compete in the election, then that party system is called multi-party system. But unlike India, in other countries like USA, there are two political parties, major political parties, and they can only contest in the election. One party lose in the election, then other party got the majority of the seats, and they that party can hold the power in the government. So that political party system is called bi-party system. If two major political parties are there in the political system in a country, then that is called bi-party system or two-party system. And if in any country there are only one party, major political party, then that party system is called one party system or single party dominance. Okay, like communist government in Russia. Okay, before the Russian Revolution. So that type of system is called single party dominance. In India, before the independence, the single party dominance was there because only Congress party was there, National Congress, and that was the major political party. And that political party can political party hold the power in the government for many years. Okay, but now Congress, BJP, and other political parties, regional political parties are also contesting in the election.